How to grow and care for tiger lilies. Tiger lilies are one of my favorite garden plants. In all the years I've been gardening, I've heard them called outhouse lilies, but tiger lilies fits them best. And when given sun, water, and fertilizer, and well-drained soil rich in organic material, they will continuously multiply year after year after year. Here in Zone 5, tiger lilies bloom in late July and August. And they are bulbs that you can plant in early spring or summer. Commonly, they are orange with black spots, at least my favorite ones are, and much more sharply recurved than other lilies. The petals curve almost around back to the stem. Tiger lilies are hardy in zones 3 to 9, and they do best in full sun with moisture and sun. They would just multiply steadily. Like most bulbs, they like moist, well-drained soil. Plenty of organic material such as leaf compost will ensure rich, well-drained soil. Tiger lilies don't produce seeds like other bulbs. Instead, bulbils form along the stems when the plant blooms. These can be planted in the fall, but I think it's far easier just to dig up clumps of mature plants in the early spring and plant some of them somewhere else. Give tiger lilies a try. They're one of my favorite garden plants. And thank you, and be sure and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later on. Thanks.